What's up, guys? And today we'll be playing Blade Ball once again because my goofy friend Jamalin wants to play it again. Guys, you might be wondering why am I so down right now? It's because I can't play for a week after this video. My funny monkey is kind of sad right now. My mom got mad at me because I said my PC because my PC was about to explode.
Totally not because of me.
It was because of that.
Where are you? I'm gonna target you. I'm gonna clash you once I see you.
Bro, he's a hacker. Bro, he's such a try. He's such a tricky. He's such a like, bro. Nobody's. You have no riz. You have no phone.
Guys,
you have no dad,
after this, we're gonna play finishers in Fortnite. We're gonna play finishers, FFA, in Fortnite.
Yes, guys, we're low-key like content forming right now before I get picked up in games for me saying my PC.
100% not me trolling him with props.
And then it's also because I was laughing so hard when he bought Serene and that private server plus. But it was mostly because of my PC.
Where are you? Are you dead?
No.
Good, because I'm going to flash you. Oh, you're right there.
Bro.
Okay, guys, can we report this guy? All he does is hack and play bone. He forced me to play this because he wanted to hack.
I hate Blade Ball.
Because he wanted to kill me with his hacks before he got banned because his parents found out he was hacking. So tomorrow, no videos or anything. Because this kid's gonna be grounded because he's hacking.
No, I got grounded because I said my PC. Oh, guys, if y'all don't see me tweet now, it's because I'm gonna get kicked off. I just said my PC so loud. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and we made an official announcement. Friendly neighborhood monkey Danny is kicked off permanently until we get 100 subscribers.
Yes. Because he was being too hostile.
He was being a hostile neighborhood monkey.
And we were trying to troll him, but then he turned to a baby too fast, and we didn't even get to kill him with Dojo.
Yeah.
What a grown man, baby.
We will be recording a video about A-Train in the strongest battlegrounds today.
Yes.
Yes. And we will be doing an A-Train battle. so we're gonna play this for a few more rounds, and then we're gonna go to A
I be
train
in the
and
gym and I'm
boss
trying to get pull up on season, every night eating. I've been a piece. I see my bitch when I'm dishing like pizza. Yeah, I'm from Florida, when you like legacy. When I say hustle, I don't mean crazy. Over like Rafa, over like Messi.
Bro, watch my video I just posted. You're
What
selling.
video is it called?
It's called Playing Rivals with Christian Music, I think. I honestly don't remember what I called it. Oh yeah, it's called Rivals Montage, my bad.
So I cook in my court inside. It's a beat we gon' eat, I'll slide.
Bro, I don't know how to make montages. So
Are you still
that,
recording? Are you still recording?
yeah.
What sword are you using? Dragon Slayer?
Yeah.
This is such a mid sword.
Mid is crazy. Mid is crazy.
Wait, bro, where's all my swords at? Where's all my legendaries? Oh, they're down here. This is a recent one I got. It's called Stolen's.
They're cheating, dude.
Oh my god, who's doing that stupid ability? I was just about to happen.
Let's go. Finally, I got the swell. Why do y'all keep on using that ability? It's honestly not that good.
Okay, it was 15,000 coins.
No. I hate this game. Bro, all they do is just wait for me to, like, not be focused, and then right then when I'm not focused, they could.
Okay.
On inside the grind,
Sub
but
6
the roots from the Lord in my mind. Know the world to get caught outside, so I cook in my court inside. It's a beat we gon' eat, I'll slide. In the booth we got forks and knives. I'm in Eden, my Lord in disguise. And he knew way before my designs, way before I was fraud over pride. Take a picture, you'll see the disguise. Ain't no fiction, the truth in the eyes. Promise said that the land was mine.
Friendly neighborhood monkey Zach, are you there?
Huh? Oh. Let me focus now.
Chat, we gotta lock in.
Wait, you're still live?
What you yapping about how I'm still alive?
You said you got locked in, so are you still live?
No?
Then why did you say you have to log in?
Cause we gotta lock in.
I'm dead.
Hmm?
I'm dead.
I know we gotta lock in at this match.
Like David got lost, I had to repay him. He sent me new line, I had to relay him. Forgot on my I'm tapped in, whole new world, Aladdin. Rappers is Disney, clean them up swiftly. Flows on cocaine, flows on with me. No games, better come with me. Used to on trip, not a boy. Birds on top.
Bro, you ruined my montage so bad when you were like...
Oh, how did you die? You suck so bad.
Wait. The match started? Oh.
Yeah, bro. I told you to lock in. What are you doing?
I was looking at my video.
Bro just let his true skill out.
I'm tapped in, whole new world, Aladdin. Rappers is Disney, clean them up swiftly. Flows on acrobat. And when I couldn't breathe like an asthma attack, you gave me what I need and put life in that. She was at the hospital, my wife is at. Lucy really thought he had a nice attack. Thought he would take us out, we ain't having that. We stay prayed up and ready to battle that. Prayers go up like I'm a real. Look how far I came, look where I was at. I was in the rain, no I can't go, baby. Tryna live my own way. Keep that back.
But guys, one more round and we're ending it right now.
Yeah, so we have to lock in this round.
Yeah.
Lock in this round.
No, people are already clashing.
I thought that was you who died. And I'm so sad that it wasn't you. Did someone say A-Train?
No. No.
I'm
Don't
cooked.
cook.
I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Bro, I was lagging this chat. I was lagging so hard that round.
What? How am I still alive? Alright guys, that's it with the video because I lost. But also you later. Early monkeys out. Wait.
Friendly neighborhood monkeys out.